Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, which should be on the second position. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are inactive, which means that we cannot really manually change date and time. It is because we are using automatic options which are at the top. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options for the date and time and the time zone. And now we can freely tap on date and choose it from this calendar. Simply find it and tap on it, tap on OK. Let's set the time, just choose it from the clock. Tap on OK to confirm, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So let's simply tap on the ones you'd like to use, and it will also be immediately applied. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we can use change the time format. Right now we are using the 12-hour one. Here we can tap on the switcher to apply the 24-hour format. It's up to you. So basically, that was the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.